Are you thinking about shopping at peekaspeasy.com? Before you grab your wallet, you need to hear this. Peekaspeasy.com claims to be an online boutique offering minimalist fashion pieces like sweaters, dresses, jeans, and matching sets at seemingly affordable prices. But there are a few things you should seriously consider before making any purchase. The site itself was only registered recently in January 2025, which is often a red flag for online stores, especially when they don't have a solid reputation yet. A closer look reveals that many of their product images appear to be copied from other websites, raising major concerns about authenticity and originality. There's no clear information about the company or the owner behind peekaspeasy.com, making it hard to trust who you're actually buying from. Adding to the concern, there are no customer reviews available on Trustpilot or other reliable platforms, meaning there's no real proof of satisfied buyers. Furthermore, scan detection sites like EvenInsight have flagged peekaspeasy.com as suspicious, suggesting that it might not be the safest place to spend your money. While the site might look trendy and budget-friendly at first glance, the serious lack of transparency and trust signals make it very risky to shop from. Always be cautious when dealing with new online stores, especially ones that show multiple warning signs like this,